Right, so we have been given a subtraction to do. So these two are mixed numbers. So this mixed number I can break into what? 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 minus 2 by 3. Now I can simplify the whole number parts. What will it be? 3 minus 1, it will be 2. Plus 1 by 5 minus 2 by 3. Right? So if we consider these two fractions, what will be the least common denominator? 15. So 1 by 5, I'll have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. So this becomes 3 by 15. 2 by 3, I'll have to multiply numerator and the denominator by 5. So it becomes 10 by 15. Okay? So 2 plus 3 by 15 minus 10 by 15. Right. Then I can rewrite this 2 as what? 1 plus 1 plus 3 by 15 minus 10 by 15. So we will continue from here. So this 1 I can write as what? Considering the denominator 15, I can write this 1 as what? 15 by 15. So 1 plus 15 by 15 plus 3 by 15 minus 10 by 15. So I can simplify these two fractions. 1 plus 18 by 15 minus 10 by 15. Then 1 plus 8 by 15, because we can simplify these two fractions, right? So we have the same denominator. So what will be the numerator? 18 minus 10, it will be 8. So 1 and 8 by 15. So that will be the answer. Okay, so the next question, we will try to find the answer using factorization. So as you can see, we can rewrite this expression thinking about what? Difference of squares, no? So this will be what? 4 minus 3 into 4 plus 3. 4 minus 3 means 1. 4 plus 3 means 7. 1 into 7, what will be the answer? 7.